Good afternoon, fellow citizens of Yoruba land, both at home and in the diaspora. My name is Stephen Demola Faliti, and I'm here in New York City in the conference room of the United Nations to represent Yoruba people on this 75th anniversary of the chartering of the United Nations Commission on Human Rights. By the special grace of God, our friends in high places, and the anointed and unparalleled leadership of Chief Mrs. Moduko Onitiri Abiola, we have been invited to the UN to represent Yoruba people on this 75th anniversary celebration of the creation of the UN Charter on Human Rights. It is indeed an eye-opening experience that gave us an opportunity to showcase ourselves as a sovereign nation of Yoruba land and a land of people with opportunities and promise, and to let the global community know that notwithstanding what we hear in the world, in other parts of the world, we still have a need for the preservation and protection of human rights, particularly in Yoruba land and in the African continent in general. It is my distinct honor to be here to represent my people, my sovereign state of Yoruba land, and I thank God for this welcome opportunity. Thank you. Okay.